I'm making this video with an Insta360 X4 8K camera, downtown Cebu City walk. And it's a relatively new camera, and it's got 8K resolution. I am one of very few people who actually put up 360-degree videos. Most people who use a 360-degree camera turn it into a flat just a flat video, basically. Now, if you're watching on a smartphone or on a computer or tablet, you can turn your smartphone different directions, left, right, backwards, up, down, to get to see whatever is in that direction. You can stop the video, turn around, and look around. You might be able to zoom in and zoom out a bit, depends upon your device. And if you're watching on YouTube and you're getting YouTube a lot of times with larger files, they will automatically put you into a lower resolution video, and you can go down into the lower right hand corner of YouTube and click on settings, and you can adjust it up to a higher resolution, 1080p, 2K, 4K, etc. And do that, because I've got some people who say, oh, the resolution is really bad. So do that. In fact, as I'm editing this, even my computer is having a little bit of difficulty. This is a huge file, but the 8K is in all directions, all 360-degree directions. So that is a huge file. I will upload it to YouTube in 4K because that is the highest resolution that they allow. And they usually, I don't know what they do to it, they condense it something, so they, even the highest resolution that I put up, it usually impairs the video a little bit as they do their condensing of the video. Anyway, you got jeepneys here. They're very slowly being phased out for more efficient and air-conditioned buses, and you'll see a couple of those on this walk as well. I'm down here walking on Osmeña Boulevard. It goes from the uptown area to the downtown area. Colon Street down here on the corner, the oldest street in the Philippines. And you got a number of older malls down here. Straight ahead is Metro Mall. Got a grocery store, department store, clothing and gadgets and appliances, all that type of thing. Small little hardware area, small little sports. Number of people have asked me, are there any big sports supply houses there? I haven't found any, but you'll find some of the malls, some of the supermarkets. There'll be small sports related. One might specialize in badminton, one in might have a little bit of weights and treadmills and that sort of thing, so it just depends. I had been using the Insta360 X4, which was 5.7K, and kind of ruined that. I had an accident with it, and decided, well, for what it would cost me to fix that and the upgrade to the X4, which is 8K, versus 5.7K, got a number of other features as well, I would go ahead and spend the money on this. This is apparently waterproof down to, I don't know, 10-12 feet, something like that, I think. I forget exactly. I will be buying a waterproof housing for it if I'm going to use it underwater. I've seen some footage from a couple other people, and they're getting really good footage underwater with this camera. I have over, I think, almost 1,400 videos up now in the last 8 years. So if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Appreciate the thumbs up, any comments. Let me know how this video is working out for you. You know, some devices cannot handle huge file sizes or 4K type information, so that may limit some things. If you don't have a touch screen, there's an icon up in the upper left hand corner you can use to scroll around move around on the video. Like I said, it's truly a 360 degree video. You can if you've got a phone, just turn it to the left, turn it to the right, and look around up and down. I am walking from the uptown area of Cebu City. I'm walking down to Pier 1 where the ferries are, and I've taken additional footage along the way, a little bit in Plaza Independencia, a little bit around the ferry terminals down there. And I'm going to do another video, give you a little idea and give you some more advice about using ferries when I do that here in the coming week. Just based on my experience of other people as well. And as I was saying, I think 99% of the people who use a 360 degree camera, they turn it into a flat video, and I can do that in editing too. I can say, okay, now I can turn the video a certain direction and put in a keyframe and say, now I want them to look over here for a certain length of time, and now I want them to look over here, now I want them to look behind me. And you don't have any choices to move your device around to look around. But I upload the whole thing, so you can stop the video, look around, depend on your device. You might be able to zoom in and zoom out. The software Insta360 has come out with some new software for editing videos as well. And I actually, to put this up, I use their software, and then I bring it into another software, Power Director, in order to do my final editing of this. This was a Friday afternoon, about 12:30 in the afternoon. I must say I was surprised it wasn't more busy down here that particular time of day, but it would definitely get busier as it gets into the evening hours. Pretty warm out, in the, I think it was low 90s, low 90 degrees Fahrenheit, that is. So a lot of stores, gadget stores, sari stores, clothing stores, electronic stores, hardware stores, all sorts of things. Generally, you can get a little bit better pricing here in the downtown Cebu City area. Depends on what you're looking at. Anyway, I'll be interested to hear your feedback and comments wherever you are in the world. Take care, safe travels, and I'll see you next time.